Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to evaluate a market. First, from the Hilomarket main page, you can use filters to see which markets are awaiting evaluation. Simply tick the evaluation filter. Select the market you'd like to evaluate, and click the Evaluate Market button. Then, carefully review all the market information as an evaluator. Vote by selecting Approve or Disapprove, and make sure you have enough HILO tokens. The side with the most votes will win. If you voted to approve and the market goes live, you can claim your reward from this page. Vice versa, if you voted to disapprove and the market gets rejected, you also win. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.